Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Board CNC Works. My name is Nugent. I'd just like to take a moment and thank everybody who've subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. It is slowly but surely growing. If you feel like you want to subscribe, please do. So without further ado, let's go over to the video. So today we are going to be engraving. We are going to be using imag-r as well as the Norton White Tile Method. We are going to be engraving my favorite car of all time, the Nissan Skyline GTR. I'm totally in love with that car, and one day when I'm grown, I'm definitely going to be buying that car. So without further ado, let's get the parameters of our design. So we're going to be making a square, and we need it 198 by 198. We don't want to fill it, we just want a line. Because as you know, I like to engrave this outline on my spoilboard so that I can line up my designs much better on the piece that I'm doing. So let's go over to imag-r. Imag-r is spelled imag-r.com. So let's go down, scroll down all the way. We click upload. Here you will see some of my older projects. So let's click open, and it is uploaded to imag-r. Okay, it's taking a bit long today. So let's just see. Okay. Scroll down and down. Just waiting for it to upload. There you go. Now we're going to click on crop, and I am going to be doing a square crop because, as you know, or as you saw, my tile is 198 by 198. And there's the beautiful Mount Fuji in the back of this beautiful GTR. Going to do nothing else to it, just click crop. Then as soon as, yes, going to be scrolling down. Let's just see how it looks. It looks beautiful. So we're going to resize this, because what I've learned is if you go ahead and resize, if you make it bigger here and you go and you resize it in Lightburn, it won't come out looking right. So I would rather just keep it like this. Do my size right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it 199 instead of 198. Because if I make it 198 and I don't line it up precisely on the spoilboard, the tile, then it's going to have a border where there won't be engraving, and I don't like that. So I'd rather make it a millimeter more than it was, or than the actual thing is, if I'm going to be doing a whole tile. Now my DPI I'm going to increase to 318. So let's click OK. Let's just wait for it. Let's just wait. There we go. Scroll down. We'll see the two pictures beside each other. Now we will go to material. Now, as I said, we're going to be using Norton's White Tile Method. Select White Tile Method. We click OK. And then imag-r does everything in the background. So you see, here are a couple of adjustments, but I don't mess around with them. I just go straight, not do it. Now I'm just waiting for it to upload. It's almost finished. Now I scroll down, see original image, and here is after the magic has been worked. Now I will click download PNG, and once it's downloaded, I will click restart because I want to remove this image from the servers. If all of us leave our images on the servers will just become slower and slower. So let's go, let's click on it, drag it, and pop it right here. Now this, as you see, I'm taking it from the middle, I'm dragging it down, and it snaps to the exact center. Now I know, now the file is almost ready, but now we just need to go over the speed and power. Now for the speed and power, if you don't know how to get it, I will be linking a video right up here if you don't know what speed and power you have to use. So for me, I know my machine is going on 1500 and 80% power, 318. Now if you don't know what to use here, threshold, ordered, Atkins, Dither, Stucky, Jarvis, newsprint, halftone, sketch, grayscale, I will be linking a video right here so that you can go through and see which one is the best for you, not for me, for you. So for me on this type of tile, Stucky works the best. So I'm going to be using Stucky. So then I click OK, and that is it basically. So if you feel like I brought a little bit of extra knowledge to you, please like and subscribe and help me grow this video. I want to thank you for watching it through. Let's go over to the laser and do this file, and after that I will show you how it looks. Thank you very much. Bye bye.